Failure is not the last, it is the beginning of success. The most awaited success of India in 2023 is related to this. Yes, I'm talking about Chandrayaan 3. Hello everyone, my name is Shreyansh. I'm from Silver Belt School. Today I'm going to talk about Chandrayaan 1, Chandrayaan 2 and Chandrayaan 3. Chandrayaan 1 is India's first lunar exploration mission by ISRO. It was launched from Satish Dhawan Space Center on 22nd October 2008. It discovered something that was a headline all over the world: water on the moon. Chandrayaan 1 was an impact mission. Now let's understand what is impact mission. Here, the main spacecraft continues orbiting around the moon, and a part of the spacecraft called impact probe gets detached and crash lands on the moon. When it crash lands, some of the soil flew up, and the instrument used in the orbiter examined the soil and confirmed that there is water in moon soil. The end of the mission was due to power supply failure because of overheating. The last contact with Chandrayaan 1 was on 28 August 2009. Let's talk about Chandrayaan 2. Chandrayaan 2 is India's second lunar exploration mission by ISRO. It was also launched from Satish Dhawan Space Center on 22nd July 2019. Chandrayaan 2 is a rover mission. Now let's understand what is rover mission. Here, the main spacecraft continues orbiting around the moon, and a part of the spacecraft called lander gets detached and soft lands on the moon. A robot which has wheels attached to it called rover comes out from the lander and starts moving around the moon's surface. The name of the lander and rover of Chandrayaan 2 is Vikram and Pragyan. On 6 September 2019, when Vikram lander was preparing for a soft landing, it crash landed. According to the plan, till Vikram had reached 400 meters above the moon's surface, it had to lose almost all the velocity. But this did not happen. Even at the height of 1 kilometer, Vikram's vertical velocity was 212 km per hour, so it could not stable. There was a limit in Vikram software on how fast it could move. All this problem accumulated and Vikram lander crash landed. At that time, the whole India was crying. But our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, who is a great person, hugged the crying chief of ISRO, Mr. K. Sivan, and consoled him. He said, "Failure is not the last, it is the beginning of success." Friends, can you repeat with me? Failure is not the last, it is the beginning of success. And he named the point where Chandrayaan 2 crashed as Tiranga Point. What our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, said, it came true. And our scientists worked hard on the mission and never gave up. Using Chandrayaan 3, India did something that no country had done it before: a touchdown on the South Pole of Moon. Why South Pole? Because it is unexplored, it is always in shade, no sunlight reaches there, and our scientists believe that there could be traces of ice. On 23rd August 2023, Chandrayaan 3 successfully landed on the South Pole of Moon. It was also a rover mission. Chandrayaan 3 has three modules: rover module, lander module, and propulsion module. We have already discussed about lander and rover module. Now let's understand what is propulsion module. Propulsion module is used to take out the lander out of the Earth orbit and land on the moon. The name of the lander and rover of Chandrayaan 2, of Chandrayaan 3 is same as Chandrayaan 2, Vikram and Pragyan. Chandrayaan 3 has no orbiters because the orbiter of Chandrayaan 2 is still working, and it is also working for Chandrayaan 3. So Chandrayaan 2 is also known as half successful mission. On 24th August 2023, the Vikram lander landed the rover through a ramp to start its mission. Chandrayaan 3 is more or less like Chandrayaan 2, but few modification has been done to avoid the mistake that has been done in Chandrayaan 2. The modifications are: the legs of the lander are made stronger, more solar cells have been installed, the power of sensor have been improved, The landing area is 40 times bigger than before. Now, the Vikram lander is carrying more fuels. This time, the software have been upgraded so that it could spin faster if needed. From 23rd August to 12th September, Chandrayaan 3 discovered many things using its instruments. Let's discuss a few of them. LIBS, LIBS LIBS, Laser Induced Breakdown Spectroscopy Instrument. It discovered the presence of sulfur, magnesium, chromium, and oxygen present in moon. CHASTE, 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 Chandra's surface thermophysical experiment. It measures the temperature on the topsoil of moon. This probe can go 10 meters below the moon's surface to measure the temperature. The temperature on the topsoil of moon was 60 degrees Celsius, but by probing 8 centimeters, the temperature reached 10 degrees Celsius. Such a big temperature difference in just 8 centimeters apart. Chandrayaan 3 is designed to work on lunar day only. One lunar day is equal to 1 month on Earth, and one lunar day includes 2 weeks of day and 2 weeks of night. After 12 September, the Vikram lander and Pragyan rover are put in sleep mode because on 15 September, lunar night starts, and on lunar night, the temperature drops a lot on moon, so no instruments will work on that temperature. I request you all that the way we have achieved success in Chandrayaan 3 and made it possible to reach the south pole of moon. Similarly, there are so many things which are unexplored. If you study, read, and research, for sure you will explore something which has not been explored yet. You never know, you will reach to the sun or to the stars. Thank you everyone.